I can't do
Hey, I got it
that.
to work. Dude, say hello to YouTube.
It got suddenly quieter when you weren't trying to explain everything to me because you'd not
Hello,
fucking been
YouTube.
here.
How was your day?
Are you recording a video right now?
Yeah. Hey, YouTube, how's your day?
And
Say hello to a
can they
friend.
hear me?
Yeah.
Bruh, nice.
If my
What's the
desktop audio,
video
there's
gonna be
also
about?
that is like,
Yeah, but what the fuck is the
oh yeah,
video gonna
guys.
be about?
I'm playing Bird Gut, the game we've been on for like the past 30 minutes.
Yeah, cause he has never played Path of Pain from Hollow Knight. He doesn't know how sauce works.
Yeah. I don't know how to work software. This
Oh,
game is just like so random. Basically, you were supposed to be a bee, but then you just turned into a handicapped version of a bean. Like a bee. Like, it's crazy. You know what, dude? You can
yeah,
just take it
you're
from here.
handicapped, Sam. That's what I've dubbed mine.
Who cares? You can swear.
Can I swear?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm going from kid friendly to messed up.
Imagine dying at a necrophilia meeting.
Oh, I have like 3 subs, so I don't care anymore. Hey guys, I'm going to be.
Hello, guys. Today I'm going to be giving away $1 million
Finally did it.
to whoever unsubscribes from
I just
Jake
did it.
Paul.
I got through that first part of the saw.
Good luck.
Yeah.
The second part was much harder, but
Really?
you
How is it
didn't
much
seem
harder?
to find the first
Oh, I
part.
see what you mean. My game is just more laggier, so it helps me more.
You have a shit computer?
No, it's just when I turn on the
Shit
OBS.
computer moment? Yeah, shit computer moment?
Yeah, sure. Yeah.
Actually fucking brainless computer?
True. My PC is at 10 gigs RAM, so like.
I only have 10 gigs, bro. I got 32.
You got 32?
Yeah. 32 gigs av RAM är vad jag har
Dude, you know
inne
what
i mitt
you should do
server.
on your YouTube channel?
I
Is where you
don't
should just
make
start
videos.
roasting the heck out of like Darman or something like that. Like watches a video and then you just like, yeah guys, alright.
I feel like I would look back at that in shame.
No, you wouldn't. You'd look
Like,
back
oh
at the
my
video
god,
and be like,
guys, they called him Handicapped Sam. He must be so sad right
no,
now.
no. You look back at your video and you're like, you know what? Yeah, Darman is bald.
Darman is a bald fucking. I shouldn't make those type of jokes.
What do you mean? It's fine.
Did you not hear what I
No.
was, you know?
No, I didn't hear anything.
Yeah, I'm not gonna tell you.
I'm just kidding, I did hear it.
You're not even good at it. Like, you need to do that. Like, you need to get the rhythm.
I
Du
know.
behöver att få rytm. Imagine there's a Swede watching this video. They know everything I'm saying. Om du är svensk, jag hoppas att du dör i din sömn.
I think I do have a
Snälla
Swedish
mörda
person
dig
that's
själv
out.
imorgon kväll. Va? What did you say? What did you say? I heard Swedish.
Nothing. I eat fish, yes.
Did you say that, did you say very bad stuff about Swedish?
Yeah.
You know PewDiePie is Swedish?
Yeah.
That must mean we are best YouTuber with best content.
Actually, that is really hard. but it
What
is
is
possible.
really hard?
Oh, the second part of the saw thing.
No, I mean it's still easy. Like, do you want me to show you Path of Pain?
Path of Fame.
I'm gonna show you Path of Pain. Because I still have a save where I haven't beat Path of Pain.
Yeah, just as my body parts just get ground up.
Because Path of Pain is like actually super difficult. Like it's actually mental how difficult the last part is.
Wait, I didn't know if you can jump through here. Oh, that's so smart. That is just like, now I know if there's that, but then I have to, that is so insane. I should just stop. Oh, sure, I lose my cheeks, but I'm fine. And again, nice. What was that? Now I'm just forcing myself to die.
I'm gonna tell you when I'm at Path of Pain.
No! Oh!
Because it's quite a trek away.
Bro, I was